पण ड्युरेबल जास्त
आणि लाईट वेट आहे, जसं अगदी जसा हा मोबाईल कसा तुम्ही
Okay, so see the question on my screen and answer in yours. See the question and options on my screen and you can answer in yours. Just match the colors of the options. Okay, so next. Okay, the questions aren't visible, is it? You have
I can see the questions.
Yeah, just tell them that the questions are visible on the Zoom meeting. You can't see on your screens. That's what I have been saying. Nitiksha, just see the questions on my screen. You can't see in your screen. That's the whole point.
Okay, let's clear the concept. The question will be shown from the screen and you have to select the option from your screen. Question won't be visible on your screen.
Is it clear for everyone now? Should we proceed? Okay.
If you are on the phone and you have zoomed in the screen, please zoom out the screen and then try it.
And if anyone has problems, like DM Atharva, he said on WhatsApp group, just DM him. Is everybody clear with the concept now?
Atharva, I think we should proceed.
Okay, so let's go. Okay, so the questions can be little tricky. Just see all of the options first and then make your choice. And the final question. So here we have our winners. Okay, so how was it? Just let me. Okay, so how was it? Fun? Liked it? Cool? What place did you guys get? And we can like finally see who was like whatever scores you have, we can download the whole data set. So it's not a problem. We can, it's not like we will just see first, second, and third, but we can see all of them, how much you have scored, I guess. Okay, glad that you like it.
If you found it if you found it easy, you can tell us. We can improve the level of difficulty.
Like I made it quite easier than I was gonna make it. So like it was first week, so I thought like it should be
Easy.
yeah.
Do let us know if you want some hard level questions, so you can think upon it and then give answers.
Okay, so easy, difficult, hard. What would you rate it? And the time was it enough? The time provided by Kahoot? Arey, of course, according to the platform, it's good. We have paid it quite some money. Okay, to make it. Yeah, time was enough. Okay, cool. So do we have Vedant with us?
Hello, can you hear me?
Over to you, Vedant.
Thank you. Okay, so hello everyone. कैसे हो सब लोग? Everyone is fine, I hope. Doing great. So how was the first week? So I'm here to just talk about some stuff with you. First of all, how was the first week? Was it like a lot? So from our side, we gave you two courses, which were I guess 4 hours per course, and I guess 8 hours a week is not heavy. I mean, it's totally fine. It should be totally fine. And I saw that a lot of you did the course. Did we do the defaulter thing? Paresh, did you tell them about the people who didn't do the course, and did you take the feedback?
No, I will just put the list
Okay.
on the group after this.
Mm-hmm.
But for the first course, I guess we have 7, and for the second course, 14.
Okay. So for the first course, we have 7 people who haven't yet done it, and for the second, we have 14. I don't know how many of you are still in the program. Like we took 101, I guess, and I hope everyone is still in and practicing what we are asking to do. So I hope that is happening. And even if the 7 of you haven't done till now, or the 14 of you haven't done the second course till now, we give you opportunity to still complete it. We'll put the list, we'll put the names in the group, and try to complete it by tomorrow. For others, tomorrow is off. We are not expecting you to do anything on Sunday, but Paresh will be sharing with you the week 2 requirements, the week 2 name. Um, okay, Khedgar, can you just scroll down a bit so that they can see the fourth and fifth name as well? They are demanding for that. Okay, I have
Here
got
they are
that.
just first three. It was before, now it's not there.
I have taken a screenshot. I'll share it just a minute. Okay. So yeah, the second week guidelines will be given in a minute and will be also shared in the group. So that will be another 2 courses that you need to do in the next coming week. I hope data camp is perfectly working with you. Okay, the first one is first 3 you can see, right? The fourth is uh, Pujya Lakshmi, I guess. So your name shows Pujya Laksh dot 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 dot. I don't know what dot 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 is, so I'm just guessing it's Pujya Lakshmi. And the fifth is Kritika Shaha or Kritika something. So it shows me Kritika S. So that's the person on fourth and fifth position. Getting back to feedback. Any problems with the DataCamp platform? There won't be any quiz tomorrow. There won't be anything tomorrow. We'll meet next week directly. Ankita, do you want to say something? Ankita Saloni? Yeah, unmuted. I guess it's mistaken. Can someone please mute Ankita? Yeah. Okay. So DataCamp was good. Okay, that's good. That's great. That's really great. In case you have any problem, you can reach out to us. I want to also take feedback on the service section. You guys did have some problems, some of you, and you emailed us to us or messaged us. I hope all your queries were solved in a great way. Is there any problem with that? Just let me know. Okay. So is there any suggestion from your side about what we can do for you? I mean, how can we this will be going on, right? We'll go for a few more weeks with this type of courses and Saturday session. From next Saturday onwards, we'll also have some webinars for you, which will be live webinars on related topics. We didn't do this for the first session because right now you have only done 2 courses. So once you have the base ready, we can go for more webinars, and we'll have that for you. And anything other than that that you want us to do? Do you want some sessions wherein we can just let you unmute yourself and talk to each other, something like that, a friendly session? What is the selection criteria? The selection criteria is if you are attentive, if you are completing all of your courses, if you're appearing for your quizzes, if you're appearing for those quizzes. I know there are some technical glitches which happen. We'll pay attention to that. So if you're there, we'll take you. There won't be any hard criteria that uh, if even if you are attending, if you're dedicated, we'll take you. The score doesn't matter. The what matters is how much you try to get the score, not what the score is. So the learning is the main purpose over here. So if you're learning for the whole time, you'll be selected for the competition. Okay, so do you want some interactive sessions like this wherein we give you opportunity to unmute and just talk with yourself? Like instead of us talking, you can talk to yourself, and that way maybe you will get to know each other more, and
Vedant,
that will help you in
even
the
in this
competition
meeting,
area of SheCodes. Yeah, we can allow that. Even in this meeting, we can allow them to talk to each other after this.
yeah,
Get chance to know each other. That will be great. Like we'll think of some exercise which can be done to do this. Can you guys suggest with something like that? Could Zoom meet details be there for some more time as well? Do you want the Zoom meeting to be there or details? I don't get it. Do you want the Zoom room to be like live for more time? Okay, that will be done. No, not a problem. We'll stop the recording and that will be done. Okay. And another point which I want to address is that She Hacks and SheCodes is 2 different events, 2 different entities being organized by IEEE CIS SBC. The SheCodes competition is different, and She Hacks, which is altogether a hackathon, is different. Although they will happen in the same time table somewhere, you might find it overlapping. But you can also create your own teams for She Hacks and participate in that. So I encourage everyone to look into it, get others involved, get your friends who are not part of SheCodes, tell them about She Hacks, participate in She Hack, create your team, submit your idea, and use this to fullest. This is only women's opportunity which is being again provided to you, which is She Hacks, and you can create your own team. Okay, so She Hacks is different than SheCodes. Don't mix it up, and go for it. If you have any problem even related to She Hacks registration, just let us know. And that's it. Any questions that you have for us that you want us to answer? I'll be graduating by December, but will be applying for masters, so can apply. Yeah, definitely you can apply. Anyways, we allow undergrads and master both students, like graduate program students, to be a part of it, be a part of the session. In addition, the hackathon will end in October, so we won't be last until December. So anyways, it doesn't matter. Any other questions? Anyone related to program guidelines or something? Selection criteria or something?
Okay, I would like to add one more thing, that the data camp XP, which you all are worried about, like it's just nothing. Don't worry that it will be in our selection criteria or something. The data camp XP, like don't pay attention to it. It's just like exists. It won't be.
It's something to competitive spirits kind of thing. It's for fun. It's not something mandatory or something.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
don't worry about that. Um,
Since we have said that you don't have to worry about that, please make sure that you don't click on the show answer directly. First, you try to solve it by yourself, and then only if you are not getting the answer, then you should try for hints. And finally, if you are not getting any hint from the hint option, you can try for answers, but don't go for direct answers and hints.
And
There is
before
no meaning.
before asking like on the group key, is my answer correct and what's the error? Analyze your code again and again, because DataCamp tells you what was the required outcome and what your outcome is. Just analyze it, because there are many questions which I also checked. Like there was just a comma mistake or like a space a gap was there. So check them again and again. So you'll be more accurate with your codes from next time onwards.
the only purpose of saying this is that try on your own, and then if you have problem, you can definitely put on group. I really like the way you're using the WhatsApp group. I find you guys connecting to each other, and that's a great platform. That's what we wanted you to learn, share, and connect with each other, and share the resources. I hope you are in that process. Even if outside datacam, if you just refer anything and you like it, any article or something, do have a habit of sharing it on group, share it with others. Maybe that will be useful for people. um, do share about what you are doing. I found people sharing about it on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please continue with that habit. I also request others to share about what you are doing at SheCodes and what your involvement, what you completed on social media. Do tag us on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. And we'll be happy if you do that. Let people know what you are doing. Uh, that's all about. Any other segment left, Paresh, Atharva, or some Ramir, Aditya?
So if you want us to take a webinar on a particular topic, you can suggest us. We'll try to arrange it.
Exactly. Even that will be done.
So if you want, it's not necessary about the ML thing only. If you want us to take an seminar on anything like deep learning, computer vision, we will make sure that it will happen. Just a fun way. We'll not go into deep. We'll just teach the concepts and examples.
So you will be communicated with the next week guidelines, the defaulter list, and other information in group shortly. That's it for today. We can stop the recording and we can use this Zoom room. Let's not end it. We can, yeah, guys.